How to set up faster APN manually configuring Ooredoo 4G, 5G APN settings. Essential knowledge for optimizing mobile internet connectivity with Ooredoo is offered
Go to phone
viewers.
settings. Tab on SIM and network settings. Tab on your SIM select for APN settings. Tab on access point name. Tab on plus icon, add new internet settings. Fill this page, important settings. Number 1, tab on name. Number 2, tab on APN. Number 3, tab on username. Number 5, tab on server. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. Tab on APN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Last, save your new APN settings. Select this settings after restarting your phone. Check your internet speed. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share.